The death toll is still rising from the Ebola outbreak in West Africa. This is the worst outbreak of the disease the world has ever seen, and medical experts fear it could actually be much worse than the official death toll actually reflects.
Ebola is real.
The Ebola outbreak has killed nearly 1,000 people in 4 West African countries. But a doctor working in the heart of the outbreak tells CBS News many cases are going unreported, and the disease is spinning out of control because it's difficult to contain in a sprawling, congested city center. The bodies of Ebola victims litter the streets in some areas.
This outbreak of Ebola is remarkable. The cases in this last couple weeks represents 1/3 of all the Ebola cases ever reported.
On record, there are now more than 1,700 active cases, including an elderly missionary priest who's been evacuated and returned home to Spain. And some infected people are refusing treatment in fear of being mistreated in a healthcare system that has 1 doctor for every 100,000 people. The Centers for Disease Control now has 24 staff members on the ground in West Africa. And at the U.S.-Africa Leaders Summit in Washington, President Obama called for even more health workers on the ground.
This is not an airborne disease. This is one that can be controlled and contained very effectively if we use the right protocols.
The Centers for Disease Control is now on its highest alert, a level 1. And the World Health Organization is considering whether to declare an international public health emergency. Meanwhile, Dr. Kent Brantley and Nancy Wright-Bowl, the 2 American Ebola patients, continue to receive treatment at a university hospital in Atlanta.
The key here is excellent nursing, frequent vital signs, fixing problems.
Nancy Wright-Bowl's family has spent some time with her, and they issued a statement saying Mom is tired from travel but continues to fight the virus and strengthen her faith.